Hello, this is Derek. Um, I design application for nurses or people that are preparing to take the NCLEX exam to use to practice for or prepare for the NCLEX exam. So I designed an application that is mirrors the NCLEX exam, that has questions that you can answer, then after you've answered it gives you a rationale. So this application, in this demo, I'm going to show you how to use this application that I designed. It will be a subscription based. To use it, you have to subscribe. And I just wanted to do a demo of how you can use it. So there's a link that we are going to send you. You can either scan this QR code here. It will take you to the site, to application, or you can click follow that link. Both of them take you the same train. So if you have a phone that can scan, you don't want to type in or copy, just scan the QR code, or you can click on the link. Either way, to take you to the same thing. So once you've done that, it will bring you to, once you click on that link, it will bring you to this window here. This is the sign up page and the login page. Now, if you send this link, it's okay for you to share the link with people that are preparing for nursing. The thing is, they will have 15 questions that they can test. After they've tested the 15 questions, it will lock them up. They'll need to sign up and subscribe because it's a payment or subscription based. It means people that are going to use it will need to pay to use it. It's about $10 a month to use it for a month. Now, so after you've signed up, you put in your name, your email, and your password. Now, for those of you that are already signed up, you don't need to go to the sign up. You just go. Also, where it says install app, this application is designed to work on both mobile and devices and the desktop. Right now, I'm on the computer, but you can also open it on your phone. I'll do a demo of that later on. And so once you go to that link that I showed you, or you scan the QR code, it will bring you to this window here. So if you are signed up already, all you have to do is put in your email and your password and go to login. Now, if you are not signed up, you want to go to sign up, or you want to go to where it says sign up. Now, if you are not signed up, if you sign up and you are not paid, it will allow you to test 15 questions. After 15 questions, it will lock you up. It will lock you up. You can't practice anymore. So once you are here, what you want to do is to go to sign up. It will bring you to this window here. It will bring you to this window here. So now this is the interface that you are going to see. It's supposed to have this is supposed to give you the analytics of the quizzes that you take, but it's not yet configured. So don't worry about that. This just brings you to the quiz. So there are two options of doing this quiz. Number one, there is this where you can type in a question. You can see that you can type in a question there, right? So you can either type in, or you can just copy a question from somewhere, right? If you have a question somewhere, you can just copy a question from somewhere. I don't know if I don't have a question that is copied. I had a question earlier, I think. I had a question that I opened earlier that you can, that you can paste in there. And then here you choose the number of questions that you want to practice. So you want to practice 20, but for now, let's do 5, right? I thought I had a question that I wanted to, I have some questions that I wanted to practice on. So you can copy a question from somewhere and just bring it over. Sorry, I was copying the question that you've been. So once you type in, bring up something. once, I don't know why this question brings up. Let me copy different questions. I noticed when I was practicing this question, it puts in crazy characters. So when you type in a question, it's going to generate a quiz, a multiple choice quiz based on this question. Now let me explain what it does when you type in a question. If you type in a system, it's going to generate questions based on that system. If you type in a question, it's going to generate different variations of this question. In other words, it's going to rephrase the same questions in different formats. The same answers, same question, only support to. So that helps to practice on how different, because you don't know what kind of question, how NCLEX is going to phrase this question. So that helps you to see different ways that they can ask the same question. Let me just show you something. You see the answers. I'm not trying to get them. Oh, apparently I got it right? So you see this question here, and you see the answers. If you see a next, it regenerates the same question, only this time it rephrases it. Rephrases is different. So if you answer that, you see that it's a question, it's the same question, just keeps repeating it but phrasing it differently. This helps you understand how different, the different ways that this question can be asked. That may be helpful in a way. So this is when you type in a question. I wanted to mention that so that you know you don't just type in a question and think it's going to give you the quiz. Now, if you want to study a system, which I would encourage maybe you do, you want either type in the system that's cardiac meds, but I've put it easy. These are the systems that NCLEX tests you on. So you can choose one of these. It's going to generate quite different questions. It's not going to bring the same question. It's going to generate different questions based on this system. So I think you've been studying what now? Respiratory conditions, I think. So when you go, it generates a question based on that. I'm just guessing. I'm not trying to get them right? It gives you, now, whether you get it right, a question right or wrong, it gives you the rationale down, the explanation down here, which is helpful for you to can gain valuable information on this. So you click on next. Now you see that now it's generating different questions. It's not the same question like when you paste in a question. When you're giving a specific question, it's going to regenerate that question in different ways. But here it's generating now, these are different questions. You can see that the answers are different, right? When you go next. So based on the number of questions, if you chose 20 questions to practice, you can see that I've done 3 questions. I have 3 questions remaining out of the 5. So I'll just keep going. So I have 2 questions remaining. I have 1 question remaining. Finish. That's the final question that I have to do. So when you do the questions, so you see that I got 1 out of 5. Now let me explain why this is important. It tells you what score, where you are in terms of NCLEX. That gives you an idea of whether you are ready or not. I wanted to design where it can tell you whether you are ready to take the NCLEX or not, but I didn't put that feature in there. Now, the time taken. This is important because NCLEX is a timed exam. So you want to time yourself. How many questions you can take in 5 hours? Because I think NCLEX is 5 hours. So 175 questions. So based on this, you can estimate how much time it will take you to do, how many questions you can take in 5 hours and how many you can get right. So this is the overall time that it took you to do to take 5 questions, to answer 5 questions. This is the average time per question. So I was taking 15.6 seconds per question, and I took 1 minute 18 seconds to do the quiz. And here it gives you the system that you were taking the quiz on, and it gives you the number of questions. So I wanted to explain what this means, and up here it puts the topic that you were present. Now, you can either start a new quiz, but I included one other thing. You can review the answers, you see? So it gives you the options to see now all the questions that you answered or the quiz, so you can use this to study the system. where you can just now read these notes here to study, understand what these systems mean. So you can read the answer and then just read the explanation. So don't just peruse it through, use this to study. That's why I designed it to be like NCLEX, mirror the NCLEX exam so that you understand exactly uh, how it can be helpful to prepare for the NCLEX. So after you're done, you can either go back to the summary, or you can start a new quiz from here, or you can go there, configure a new quiz, or you can go there. Both of these three options takes you back to the here, so you can start a different system now. We did that. We can do pediatric nursing. See, now you see the differences. So these systems, so you can now these systems are the systems that NCLEX examines on right now, and I designed this system to base the questions on the latest NCLEX, I don't know, the syllabus, whatever you call it, to base it on the latest exam that they are testing on. That's how I set it up. Don't worry about the dashboard for now. It's not important. What is important is supposed to give you analytics where you can go back and see where you've been studying. So don't worry about this. So once you're done, you can go here and you have look at your name and your email. You can update this if you want to. You can say update, change, and update. And so this is what I have designed. So you're done. You want to log in. So I designed this for nurses or people that are preparing for NCLEX to have an application that they can use. Most of these applications are very expensive. I think this one will be like $10. I'll be charging like $10 for 1 month to use it for 1 month. After 1 month, you can either renew it or you can abandon it. It's up to you. But at least it gives you 15 questions once you sign up with a new email. It will allow you up to 15 questions. After you've exhausted the 15 questions, it will ask you to lock you out. You have to subscribe or pay for you to continue using it. So I wanted to do this demo so that you don't have trouble learning how to use the system. You can just watch the video and it will explain everything. That now, for those of you that already signed up, all you have to do is put your email and your password. If it's your first time on this system, you need to go to the sign up page here or sign up page here. So this is the Global Nurse NCLEXPrep application. It's very user friendly. I said I can show it on the mobile. So I said I'll show it on how it opens on the phone. This is my phone. I just wanted to show you how it comes out on the phone. This is my phone. You can see that these are the apps on my phone. I have WhatsApp, so it needs me to allow it on the phone. Oh, it opens. This is my phone, right? This is my phone. This is how it opens on my phone. So let me open it on my phone. Come on. It keeps opening on the other side. Yeah, it takes. So this is how it comes up on the phone. So you can see that it's responsive, mobile responsive. So I just wanted to show you. It says install app. We haven't tested that, but I just wanted to show you that it can open. This is my phone that you're seeing here. You can see that my phone is connected. So this is what you're seeing here. So don't say no, it's not connecting. I can still log in. You can see I'm logged in, right, on my phone. So I can pick a topic, right, and test the quiz. It generates a question. So you can do this on your mobile device. I can pick. So the same things that we did on on the phone. You can do that on your phone. So I just wanted to show you that it works on the mobile device. You can see that is mobile, mobile friendly or responsive, like as we say in technology. You can also reset and start or choose a different system. So it should be able to work on your mobile devices. So that shouldn't be a problem. So I just wanted to show you this. So this is how you use the application. For those of you, if you want to share this link with your friends, you can share if they want to practice, but they will have a chance to test 15 questions. After that, it will lock them up. They will have to subscribe. So that, I hope this helps you prepare for pass your NCLEX, not just prepare but pass your NCLEX. And this is our Global Nurse NCLEXPrep application, and this is Derek. I designed this application to help nurses that are looking to relocate or migrate to the US or Canada, so they can use this to practice, because most apps there are not cheap, but this is affordable. Okay, good luck.